Hey everyone, welcome back. Does Poppo Live keep dropping your connection midstream, kicking you out of a room, or freezing the video? Here's the fix. First, go ahead and understand that this is the most reported Poppo Live issues and it's very close to tied network stability. First, check what network you're on. Poppo Live needs roughly 1 Mbps download and 0.5 Mbps upload just to stream reliability, and public Wi-Fi networks especially have been significantly increasing drop rates, so avoid public Wi-Fi for streaming if you can. Go to settings, go to Wi-Fi and toggle it off for 30 seconds. Wait for a few hours and then turn them back on to refresh your connection. If you're on a weak signal, try switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data instead, since a strong cellular signal often streams more reliably than a weak Wi-Fi one. Force close Poppo Live completely and reopen it on your best available connection. If the drop continues on a strong connection, go to your settings again, then go to general, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down to the list of apps and find the app, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store, search for the app and reinstall it completely fresh from the app store to clear any corrupted keys. So all you gotta do is avoid public Wi-Fi, refresh your connection, try switching networks and offload and reinstall if it proceeds. Your stream stays connected and that's it. Subscribe.